Using Zelle free service is a convenient way to send and receive money directly from your bank account. To get started, you need to check if your bank or credit union offers Zelle. Most major U.S. banks participate in the Zelle network, making it widely accessible. First, you should enroll in Zelle through your bank's mobile app or website. Once enrolled, you can start sending money to friends, family, or anyone with a U.S. bank account. It is essential to use Zelle for personal, non-commercial purposes only, such as splitting bills with roommates, paying back friends for dinner, or sending money to family members. One key benefit of Zelle is that it is free for most users, with no additional fees for sending or receiving money. However, it is crucial to note that some banks may charge fees for certain transactions, so it is always best to check with your bank beforehand. When deciding whether to use Zelle, consider the following factors. Zelle is best for sending money to people you trust, as transactions are typically instant and cannot be reversed. You should also be cautious when sending money to someone you do not know well, as you may not be able to get your money back if something goes wrong. To use Zelle effectively, make sure to keep your bank account and contact information up to date. This ensures that you can send and receive money seamlessly. Additionally, be mindful of the daily transaction limits set by your bank, which can vary depending on the institution. In summary, Zelle is a convenient and free service for sending and receiving money, but it is essential to use it responsibly and within its intended purposes. Always check with your bank for specific details on their Zelle service, including any potential fees or limitations. By following these guidelines, you can take advantage of the benefits Zelle offers while minimizing potential risks.